Hey guys, Matt Moore with EZ DENT. Today I am at a dealership here in Athens that has a really nice service center. And unfortunately, one of the service techs opened a door and it accidentally put a really good crease in the middle of the door. And the dealership wanted to do the right thing. They called the customer, explained what happened. So they are hiring me to fix the damage on that door. I asked them to pull the door off, pull the door trim panel out and the glass out, and that allows me to get complete access and get to the dent, get the leverage I need. So let's show you the damage and then we'll just go from there. So here's our 2014 Ford Escape. And as you can see, it's got a really good shot right there on the body line. There's a really pretty sharp low on either side of it. This was caused by the door being opened into a lift. You'll see similar damage to this at gas stations. People will open a door and hit one of the yellow or painted cinder blocks at gas stations that looks almost identical to this type of damage. So at this point, what we're doing is I'm relieving the pressure right around the body line. That's kind of our first and foremost important job. I'm using glue pulling method to relieve some of that pressure. Those are some of our glue tabs. And then I start putting a tool on it. We've got a heat gun going to keep constant and direct heat right on the body line. It helps to keep the paint from being damaged. You can see there's a lot of work to go, but it's starting to come up, and rebuilding that body line again is first and foremost. This is about 90-95% of the way done. We've started kind of polishing just to show just the last little bits. I think we spent just a few more minutes on it after this just to clean up a little bit of the little wiggles you might still see at this point. And then typically what I'll do is I'll actually pull the car outside just to view it the same way a customer will view it. That way we can make sure it's just absolutely perfect. Just looks just like it never happened. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any dents, dings, hail damage, anything that doesn't require paint damage, shoot it over to us. You can check us out on our website, EZDENTRepair.com. Find us on Facebook. You can even text message a picture of the damage into us, and we'll be happy to get you a quote, get you scheduled, and get your damage taken care of too. Thanks for watching.